We divide 873 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 3 and 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 0. So 873 divided by 3 is 291. So this much for today and thanks for watching.